Anatomy of a Japanese chisel. Japanese chisels are traditionally made from laminated steel. This is done typically by hammer welding a blade's steel onto a wrought iron core. This allows for a hard cutting edge, but still allowing for softer material to dampen vibration when the tool is struck by a hammer. These are tang chisels, covered by a ferrule. Please note that you will see the seam where the chisel and the ferrule meet. This construction again allows for dampening of the vibration when a chisel is struck. The hoop is used to keep the handle from damage when struck by the hammer. If your chisel does not have a hoop, it's not generally meant to be struck by a hammer. The hoop is loose when you purchase the chisels. It is done purposely, but would also happen due to changes in humidity from where it was produced. The hoop only fits one way. Inspect the hoop for burrs. If needed, use a round file to remove any burrs, or you can also use sandpaper wrapped in a dowel if necessary. While you're working on the hoop, you should be soaking the handle in hot water. No need to soak the whole handle, just the last inch. You can soak them from a few minutes up to an hour. It's up to you. This will soften the fibers in the wood, leading to a tighter fitting hoop, and make it easier to hammer the wood over the hoop. Set the hoop on the handle. Again, it will only fit on one way. The goal is to have the hoop approximately 1/8 inch down from the end of the handle. The right tool for the job? The sagariwa or hoop setting tool. Just tapping the hoop setting tool around the edge allows you to set the hoop without going too far. Once the hoop is set, hammer the edges of the wood over so they cover the steel of the hoop. This will ensure you're hitting softer wood fibers when working with the chisel. The final step needed to make this chisel ready for its first project is sharpening. Even chisels of this quality will need a little maintenance. I mark the back with a black marker to highlight the areas that need sharpening. No need to flatten the entire back. The dished part of the chisel is intended to make it easier to flatten, so only work the raised edges. The goal is to have an even scratch pattern in this area. Work through all 3 stones, 1,000, 3,000, and 6,000 grits. Once the back is flat, then the face of the chisel needs to be sharpened. Holding the angle is important, so just maintain the same honed angle that the blade came with. You can also employ a honing jig to achieve the proper honed angle as well. Now you're ready for a lifetime of use.